the bone, which is going to be in here.
Let's move this. How about that? Put your feet in the bushes. No, you need that trash. Never mind. Sorry. I was like, yeah, let's get better as placed for a reason. Oh.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see it. Well, little lambs aren't that big. Little lambs. Poor little lambs.
Okay, so we're again using the tip of the knife wherever possible. Now, what's the exercise of this? What are we trying to achieve here?
Give me off.
Yes, we're trying to do this. Take as much meat off the bone as possible. Keep your fingers under your hand.
Phalanges.
Watch now.
Don't say that. You just jinxed it.
Yeah, I totally did.
Know what to knock on, sorry.
He would start something, but we were hiccuping 2 minutes ago.
I'm hungry. But the it's really different compared to like any other leg that we've seen. Like a chicken leg or like bird.
So now, remembering that this is a leg, right? So it's a muscle meat. So when we're cooking this, do we want this temperature the same to be as we would with our rack?
No.
No. Kind of a low and slow, right?
No and slow. The key for this joint, sorry, where I come from, we call these joints. Anything that's a roasted piece of meat is called a joint. The key for this is you've got to let it relax once it comes out of the oven.
Like a resting period.
Yeah.
So all you're doing is just following the bone right now?
Mhm.
Oh, dang.
Goodness gracious.
That's a large joint. So does that mean that bite is kind of like, it's really just the leg? No. I don't know. Okay. So that one.
Yeah.
Look closer at that. That's like the size of my feet. You're what?
Okay, as you
Okay,
can
I
see, there's
understand your
a
humor.
fair bit of work in this.
When you're taking the pieces of meat off, would you rather them to be in larger pieces or cutting it down smaller is okay?
Do that again?
When you're cutting the meat down, like
Uh-huh.
right now, is it okay to start separating pieces off or would you rather them like bigger chunks?
Which means if you
Because
cut
like
it
even
off
you
to
can
get
like
it
just cut that out.
easier.
Oh, I
to,
see what you're saying. Either or.
Okay. I don't know if you want it in like a big old slab or something. A big old piece of thigh. Or like
Are you gonna cut around the shape as well, or are you gonna take it all together?
What's that?
Kind of like-
I'm gonna take it all out in one piece.
Yeah.
Hmm?
With that kind of phone, do you need to
No.
worry about the phone charge? That's pretty cool.
Couple of chairs.
I don't know. Because in chicken sometimes they're a little thinner. You have to worry about bone shards when you're cutting. Oh, he said no, not really.
I've tried it like 4 times and it's just not
Yeah. Every time we have like a different, not different, but the same.
The only thing I haven't tried is bracket lamb, but I'm not sure it's going to taste something different.
I think it's salty. It's like grandchildren. Like, makes it taste like grandchildren. Wow.
You get me? Like Biblia? Yeah. Now, if I was pork, I'd be like, oh, right? I love me some pork. Or you gotta check it. I love dressing. I'm not even videotaping, I'm videotaping the screen.
Okay, white dull fat is usually okay to leave in. If it's sinewy, that's the part you want to take out.
Why do we leave that in? Is that what you said?
Yeah, white fat's fine.
To give it more flavor, to keep it more tender.
The other one you're cutting out?
Yeah. Sinew.
Sinew?
Sinew, cartilage, silver skin, yeah.
Leave it.
If it's dull, like if it's dull fat, it's just going to render down. If it's shiny fat like that, silver side,
Right.
Bless you.
that man come up and tells me.
No,
leg lamb. So you could stuff this, which is pretty common in Europe. So we'd stuff this and then roast it off whole, and then serve it with mint gastrique, which is sugar and water reduced down to a syrup, and then hit with fresh mint. Okay, that's it.